Okay, so I've replaced the bearing with the fancy aluminum steering column bearing, so not that cheap plastic crap. I've replaced the upper, what do you call it, upper shaft, steering shaft, and I still have a little bit of a clunk. It's not bad, but it's just so annoying because I've replaced everything and there's still just a little bit there. Now what I'm looking at, whoops, sorry about that. All right, so what I'm seeing, might be hard to see. If you see the shaft there, so when I move the steering wheel, the upper shaft moves before, just a tiny bit before the upper shaft moves. So there's a little bit of slop there. Look at the bolt. Even the bolt, like there's just a little bit of room in there. So what can I do about that? I need a tiny bit bigger bolt, maybe. Or can I squeeze the sides of this thing down? I don't think so, it's pretty thick metal. Or can I put something on that shaft to take up the slop? Let me think on this and I'll come back to you here in a minute. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. Just took some aluminum tape and I cut some strips of it. I'm going to see if I can add it to the shaft, make it just a tiny bit. This stuff's just wafer thin, but it sticks really good, and it should just be enough to take up that gap. I'm hoping. That's what it did. You can see the lines in the tape there. It's literally one layer of aluminum tape. Let me see if that fits, and if it does, if it helps. Okay. Take that front piece off, maybe. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. Still a little bit there. Okay. I don't know if that's focused. I can barely see the screen. But I only had used one of the strips on the shaft up there, so I used one more strip to thicken that bolt a little bit. Obviously not touching where it's gonna tighten down on the other side. Let's see if I can get that in. Oh, I think we might have got it. That is moving with that. Okay, well, I don't know if that's going to fix it, but I don't think that could have hurt. That's definitely, those two are not moving separately anymore. Out taking the truck for a spin. It's better. It's still not perfect, but I might just have to work on that little connection a little bit more, but it definitely made an improvement. All this slop, I think, is in the steering box. It's 200 and whatever I'm at, 210,000 miles. It's a 20-year-old truck, and it's got over 200,000 miles on it, so it's gonna have a little worn out bits, but that clunking was just annoying me, and I'm not hearing it anymore. There's still a little bit of play in the steering, but I don't think I'm ever gonna work that out unless I get a new steering box. So, pretty happy with it. No more clunk. That's good. After replacing all those bits, I was really annoyed that I could still hear a little clunk. So, all right, well, on to the next project.